Welcome back, everyone. I'm Kalani. This is the Ukulele Club channel. We're going to learn a fun strum, and this is more than just a strumming pattern. It's a strumming event. I call this my Margaritaville strum. It sounds like they would have played this in Margaritaville, but they didn't. It just has that vibe. It's bum. It's actually like a bolero rhythm that we play on the bongos. That's another lesson for another time. But let me share this with you. It's really fun and it's pretty easy. So we're just going to do a down. You can do it down however you want to do it down with your fingers. I use my index finger most of the time. You could even do thumb. But we're going to use our thumb for the second beat. So first beat is just down. Then you do kind of a long, slow thumb strum. A long, slow thumb strum. Say that 10 times fast. So you want to get in there, start early, so you end kind of on the beat, right? So it's so if I was going to measure it, I would say the last little 16th note or just before the downbeat, start it a little early so you end on the downbeat. And then you can see that I'm going immediately back up, right? And then there's like a chuck or a tap. You'll see when I do it faster. And then it's just up, down, up at the end. And 4 and. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and... That's it. Pretty easy. Let's put it into a little bit of context. All day and all night, Marianne, down by the seashore, sifting sand, wasting away again in Margaritaville. Wait a minute. Why is Marianne drinking margaritas down at the beach? That's not right. Marianne, I'm disappointed. Or I can join you. All right, so that's the vibe, you guys. Pretty fun. You can use it for any. It's like a modified island strum. Bolero would be a word I would use as a percussionist. And if you want to learn more about that, see me at World Drum Club or at patreon.com/Kalani if you'd like to ask me questions and learn in a more personal fashion. But I think you can get it from this video. It's fine. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you have any comments and advice relevant to this lesson, to this video, not other things like politics, you can also leave it in the comments, all right? And make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. We're trying to grow our little ukulele channel. And if you like this stuff, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications. All right, I'll see you all in another video. Thanks for watching.